Hello everyone, welcome back to DSA series in C++. I am Karan Kotkar and today we will covering to learn about sorting algorithm. Sorting is an essential component in programming that helps in organizing data effectively. Okay, so in this video we will covering what sorting is and why it's matter. Then we are moving toward that is two basic sorting algorithm, that is bubble sort and selection sort, and then we are moving further to the step by step implementation of the code with example as well. Okay, so let's move further. That is the first one, that is what is sorting and why it's important. Okay, it means sorting means arranging data in a specific order, that is ascending or descending. Okay, it's essential in real world application like organizing file by name or data. Okay, the like I will write the example, that is organizing files by name or data, or we can say date. The next one, that is sorting number of statistical analysis, and the third one, that is speeding up search optimization. Okay, so that is sorting is the foundation for many advanced algorithm, making it a much known concept for every programmer. With this, the first one, that is bubble sort. Okay, one of the simplest sorting technique. It works by comparing adjacent element and swap them if they are in the wrong order. After each pass, the largest unsorted element move to its correct position, like a bubble rising to top of water, like this. Like we are taking array of these 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if this is a greater, so yeah, swapping is here, like this is here and this is here. Again compare and again swap. So yeah, this is mean by the bubble sort. What is mean that? So let's go to our editor. I will already write the code. I will explain you what I am writing it here. So I will remove the comment. Just a second. Yeah. So let's run again. Yeah. So output is 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. But our array is 5, 3, 8, 4, 2. But it's sorted in a ascending order. That is 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Okay. That is where is, yeah, outer loop. Okay, it's control the number of passes needed to sort the, and the inner loop compare adjacent element and swap them if they are in the wrong order. Okay, and after every pass, largest unsorted element is placed at the end of the array. You can check this one, that is the largest element in our array is 8, so it's in the end of the array, that is in the last. Okay, and then our input is 5 comma 3 comma 8 comma 4 comma 2, and when it's apply bubble sort, we get the output, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. Okay, so now let's talk about the selection sort. That is the second technique. That is, it's again another simplest sorting algorithm, like unlike bubble sort. It selects the smallest element in the unsorted part of the array and place it in its correct position in each pass. Okay, so we will directly move toward our editor and I will explain you that code, and then we will, like, I will remove this out now because yeah, we already run this one. So just a second. Yeah, and here we go. So let's run. I will minimize this little bit. I hope the code is visible to you, and remove comments as well. Yeah, okay, so again it's sort the array, that is 10, 13, 14, 29, and 37, and our again array is 29 comma 10 comma 14 comma 37 comma 7 30. Okay, it's not in a like a ascending or descending order. Again, the outer loop fix one element at a time. Okay, starting from the beginning. Then inner loop find the smallest element in the remaining unsorted part of the array, and then we use swap to place the smallest element in its correct position. Okay, that is the output. Our is again that I already told you what our output, that is, this is the our output, that is array of size 5, 29, 10, 14, 37, and 30. And when we apply the selection sort, then our array sorted in a ascending order, that is 10, 13, 14, 29, and 37. Okay, I hope you get the what I'm telling to you. So let's summarize what we are learned. This is very short lecture because of some other issues. So we will again cover in the upcoming video, that is I will upload it in tomorrow. So in this lecture we will cover bubble sort, that is simple but inefficient for large dataset. That is bubble sort is only used for simple dataset and not for the high production, or you can say large dataset, as and it has a time complexity of O naught n. So I will tell you that is the time complexity for bubble sort is O naught n square. Okay, and next one is the selection sort, that is it also has the same time complexity, that is O naught n square. Okay, but perform fewer swap than bubble sort. It's more better than the bubble sort. Okay, along these algorithms are not efficient for large data sets. They help build to foundation for advanced sorting technique like merge, quick sort, which we cover in the next lecture. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for the more DSA tutorials. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.